Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best 3D printer on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mentep, check the description box below. Number 5. Cibor 3D Printer. The Cibor 3D printer is a cutting-edge 3D printer that offers cutting-edge technology, ease of use, and exceptional speed. Its slice thicknesses range from 0.12 mm to 0.2 mm, ensuring precision for intricate miniatures and larger functional parts. The printer's printing speed ranges from 150 mm per second to 600 mm per second, allowing for faster completion without compromising on quality. Its versatile power supply accommodates 110V and 240V, making it suitable for various regions. The printer also features auto leveling, eliminating the need for manual bed leveling. The user-friendly interface offers both Chinese and English language options, making it accessible to a wider audience. The printer's operating system uses proximity deceleration extrusion technology, enhancing print quality and reliability. It is compatible with various filament materials, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PETG, PA, and PC, and supports code file format, making it easy to integrate into existing workflows. The printer's high-temperature printing capabilities and compatible slicing software make it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 4. Facet 3D Printer. The Facet 3D printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device that offers a range of impressive features to revolutionize the printing experience. Its slice thickness range allows users to choose the level of detail and speed that suits their project. The printer also features auto leveling, simplifying the setup process and ensuring accurate prints. The Facet 3D printer supports English, making it accessible and user-friendly for a broader audience. Its maximum printing speed is 250 mm per second, allowing for quick project completion while maintaining high-quality results. The printer can handle a wide range of filament materials, with a maximum nozzle temperature of 300 degrees centigrade. Its heated bed temperature ranges up to 110 degrees centigrade, ensuring excellent adhesion and warp-free prints. The printer supports a common filament diameter of 1.75 mm, offering a wide selection of options. The printer is compatible with popular slicing software, and it supports a wide range of filament materials. Its 0.4 mm nozzle diameter strikes a perfect balance between detail and speed, making it suitable for various printing tasks. The Facet 3D printer also features fused deposition modeling, FDM, for precise and durable prints. It supports voltage ranging from 110V to 220V and comes with C certification, ensuring quality, safety, and compliance with European standards. Number 3. Creality 3D Printer. The Creality 3D printer is a high-quality 3D printing device that offers precision, speed, and ease in producing detailed and refined 3D prints. Its slice thickness ranges from 0.05 to 0.15 mm, and its built-in auto-leveling feature simplifies the setup process. The printer can produce one layer in just 1 to 5 seconds, ensuring high-quality output. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, and users can choose from various slicing software, such as Aliexpress, Chichibox, and LichiSlicer. The printer supports widely used file formats like STL and OBJ, making it easy to import and print 3D models. It is designed to work with 405 nm resins, providing excellent print quality and durability. The printer uses LCD molding technology for precise and detailed prints, making it an excellent choice for intricate designs. The printer's interface type is USB, allowing easy transfer of 3D models from a computer to the printer. It is C certified, ensuring it meets rigorous safety and quality standards. Number 2. Ender K1 3D Printer. The Ender K1 3D printer is a versatile and efficient 3D printer that offers both speed and precision. Its features include adjustable slice thickness from 0.1 mm to 0.35 mm, a printing speed of up to 600 mm per second, a 350W power supply, and auto leveling. The printer's user-friendly language and operating system make it accessible to all levels of users. It supports a wide range of filament types, including ABS, PLA, PETG, PET-TPU, PA, ASA, PC, PLA-CF, PA-CF, and PET-CF. The printer also offers a high level of precision, with a 100 ± 0.1 mm accuracy, ensuring your 3D prints come out exactly as you envisioned. The printer is compatible with popular slicers like Cora, SIMPLIFY3D, and Prusa Slicer, and can work with common file formats like STL, OBJ, and AMF. Overall, the Ender K1 is a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 1. Congruent KP3's 3D Printer. The Congruent KP3's 3D printer is an affordable and impressive 3D printer with impressive features. It offers a slice thickness range of 0.1–0.4 mm, allowing for detailed and precise prints. Its recommended printing speed is 20 to 60 mm per second, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The printer comes with a 24V15A 360W power supply, ensuring stable operation. It can reach a maximum printing speed of 110 mm per second and a working speed of 150 mm per second, allowing for efficient project completion without compromising on print quality. The printer is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems, supports nozzle temperatures of up to 260 degrees centigrade and bed temperatures of up to 110 degrees centigrade, and accommodates 1.75 mm filament and PLA, wood, and TPU materials. It is compatible with popular slicer software such as Cora, Repeater Host, and SIMPLIFY3D, providing a user-friendly experience. The printer supports G-code, OBJ, and STL file formats, ensuring seamless compatibility with 3D modeling software. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.